The idea of flying cars and personal air mobility has always sounded like science fiction, but now it's starting to feel real. The Antigravity A1 is one of those futuristic machines designed to bring that dream closer to everyday life. It's not just a concept anymore, it's a personal aerial vehicle that blends drone-like technology with advanced safety and control systems. On Tap Tech, we explore the devices and machines that could change how we live, and the Antigravity A1 is one of the most exciting examples of this new wave of innovation. The design of the Antigravity A1 looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but with a focus on practicality and safety. It has a sleek aerodynamic frame built with lightweight composite materials to maximize strength while keeping the weight down. The cockpit is compact but comfortable, designed for a single pilot or in some versions, a two-seater layout. The body integrates protective structures to ensure stability and safety even in challenging flight conditions. The blend of futuristic aesthetics with real-world functionality makes the A1 stand out as a serious step toward personal air transport. The propulsion system uses multiple electric rotors, similar to drones but scaled up with advanced stabilization. These rotors give the A1 vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, meaning it doesn't need runways. It can lift off from small spaces, hover steadily, and land with precision. The AI-powered flight control system makes flying intuitive even for beginners, handling balance, navigation, and safety protocols in real time. With built-in redundancy in motors and power systems, it's designed to keep flying even if one rotor fails, adding extra layers of reliability. Performance is impressive for a personal flying vehicle. The Antigravity A1 can reach speeds of over 100 km per hour and cover meaningful distances on a single charge. The flight time depends on payload and conditions, but current models promise around 30 to 40 minutes of airtime, which is similar to many advanced aerial mobility prototypes. For city commutes or short-distance travel, this feels practical. The AI-assisted autopilot can even plot efficient routes and avoid restricted airspaces automatically, reducing the burden on the pilot. Inside, the cockpit combines simplicity with advanced tech. There's a large heads-up display that projects flight information directly in view, similar to augmented reality. Touchscreen controls, voice commands, and even gesture recognition allow pilots to control navigation and onboard systems with ease. Safety features include collision detection, automated landing systems, and emergency parachutes. These make the A1 much more approachable for non-professional pilots, lowering the barrier to entry for personal aerial transport. Battery life and charging are crucial in electric aerial vehicles, and the A1 uses a high-capacity battery pack with fast charging capabilities. While range is currently limited compared to cars, rapid charging allows it to be powered up in about an hour. Swappable battery packs are being developed to reduce downtime, which could make the A1 more practical for regular use in the future. Connectivity plays a huge role in the A1's ecosystem. It integrates with satellite GPS, real-time air traffic systems, and 5G networks for constant communication and navigation updates. Pilots can sync their smartphones or tablets for additional controls, route planning, or remote diagnostics. Over-the-air software updates ensure the system is always up to date, improving safety and adding new features as the technology evolves. When it comes to price and value, the Antigravity A1 sits firmly in the premium category. It's not designed for the average consumer yet, but rather for early adopters, tech pioneers, and organizations interested in advanced mobility solutions. Compared to helicopters or private planes, it's cheaper and far easier to operate. For people who want to experience the future of flight before it becomes mainstream, it represents a unique and valuable opportunity. There are clear pros and cons. On the positive side, the Antigravity A1 offers vertical takeoff and landing, AI-assisted flying, futuristic design, and a relatively accessible control system. It's safer and quieter than traditional small aircraft and feels like a preview of the future of personal mobility. On the downside, battery limitations restrict flight time, regu. Lations for personal aerial vehicles are still developing, and the price will be a barrier for most people. So, is the Antigravity A1 the future of personal travel? It might not replace your car just yet, but it shows us what's coming. It proves that personal flying vehicles are no longer a dream but a reality being shaped right now. For enthusiasts, early adopters, and innovators, it's a chance to be part of something groundbreaking. At Tap Tech, we bring you closer to the machines that change how we think about technology in the future, and the Antigravity A1 is one of the boldest examples. It's more than transportation. It's the first step into a new era of personal flight. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more authentic reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.